So okay guys, so on our previous web designing of our blog, we saw how a blog can be designed in less than 5 minutes. Okay, now in this training we shall be dealing with how to design the menu. Okay, we want to design a menu in this blog. So you can see there is no menu in this blog. There's no menu. So we want to design menu, horizontal menu in this block. So you come to your dashboard. This is my dashboard. So you go to your your pages, then click new page, then just name it, that is your home, then you publish, confirm, then open another one again, new page, create another new page. It depends on the page which you want to use. Just say about us, publish, then confirm, create another page. Let's say contact us, then publish it, confirm. Then let's say on that page, let's just say, okay, let's say blog, want to have blog in the website, in the confirm. Then these are what the pages now. Okay, let's just have one. Let's say projects, publish, confirm. Then we have succeeded in creating our page. So the next thing for you to do is to come to your layouts. Now we are on our layout, so you come to this, your page list. You click on this pencil. This is your page list. Let's just delete this one. Okay, that is the title, that is your menu. Add new item. You have your home, you save, add new item. You have, let's say, about us, you save, add new item. You have, let's say, projects, save, add new item. So sorry, I'll save. See, come again, you add new item. I've done, that is contact us, you save. I've done home, about us, project, contact us, add new item, then our blog, you save, then save. Then you click on save here. So it allow you to save it. Still save it. Okay, it has been saved. So let's refresh our blog. Okay guys, so we have done it and we just refresh it. We'll see that it's not showing. So let's go back to our dashboard, go back to this menu. Since we are not doing something, okay, you can see show this widget. We did check on this, so we are check on it, then we save, then you save. Then let's go back to our blog and see. So you can see these are what our menu. This is the home, about. Let me change the background. Let me change the background of our theme. So that's why it's not showing. You can't see it visibly well. Let's change the background of our theme. Then let's see what we shall be having. Let's take that and see. Then you can see this what I have to save. Then let me refresh. So you can see this is what our home, about us, project, contact, and our blog. So whatsoever you post on your home, it will be there. So let's give it a try. Let's see one after the other. Then we'll come to our pages. We come to our home. Okay, our home. Then we want to post content into it. Let's use this. Okay, then want to make this as a heading. Come to this paragraph here, make it as a heading, then you bold it, then take your cursor down, then you add your image. You want to add image from the computer, browse, then you select your image which you want to use. Okay, let's enlarge this image. Click on this icon very well, image size. Let's give it extra large. Okay, better. Then take your cursor down, then copy the contents. Then paste the contents beneath the image. Then if you want to take this to your right hand side, you highlight it, click on this icon here, then left alignment. You can see I've gone to our left. Okay, so let's publish, update, let's update it, then refresh, come to your home, click on home. Okay guys, so we want to write on our about. We'll just open it. This is our about, then come to our content. We already have a content prepared. About us, copy, then paste it there. Use the headline, then just scroll down, go to your image to insert image. You can put the image at the top or at the bottom, so it depends on which you want to use. So this is the image, so you enlarge it, then scroll down, then copy the contents. This is the contents, then you paste the contents. You can see. Okay, then you just afterwards do updates, then come to your site, go to your about us, so you can see the content is what on about us. You can see. Now there is something I also want to show you guys. Come to this, your layouts. If you want all this, the label, let's check label. Alphabetically label, sort alphabetically, display list, all labels. Okay, if you want to show it, you let it show. Show post label or label, save. These are where you do your settings. This you block at okay, it's already on. Hierarchy, put it on hierarchy. Show oldest post first, no. Archive frequency, put on save. Now if there's other thing you want to add in the sidebar, you want to about me to show in the sidebar, or you want to add any gadgets, just click on add gadgets. Anything you want to add, blog search, save. Want to add anything on the sidebar, page header, you can want to add it. Blog description, you put the blog description. If you want to put image, okay, let's remove this, let's remove that. Blog archive, it's already there. Let's check image. Let's see what's image. Caption link. Okay, let's see. You can put your title, put your caption, put the link. By email the title. Let's say title, image. No link. Let's just ignore that. Let's ignore that. Let's just do our savings. Okay, it's still saving. Okay, it will be saved. So just refresh your page. So this is how to design your blog. Okay guys, this is how you can design your blog. So if you want to post under your projects, if you want to post under your contact us, your contact details or your blogs, you just come to this your pages, open them, then you start posting. So after doing that, if you want to do if you want to start any with your blog, you just click on this earnings. You create AdSense account. Create your AdSense account, then follow the step, and your setup will be approved by Google. Okay, to be approved by this. So you can see this website kcwebcenter.blogspot.com. So this is just it. Just start AdSense, and that will be approved, guys. So this is what to do always if you want to post. Create your posts, publish on, so custom link, you can just put the custom link. If you want to post under your blog post, put the link of blog here or your home, then that will be done. Let's delete this. So that is how to create your menu. The most important thing is how to create your menu, which is this. Then you start posting on your menu, guys. So guys, thank you for staying. Please, if you love this and like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thank you, guys.